loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate your support. In today's video I'm gonna be giving you a tutorial on how to reverse whine. Okay, so we are going to start by drawing a circle as usual. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now we are going to move on. We are going to draw the circle a little bit fast. So you're gonna start like this again. So now we're gonna move on. And yeah, we're going to whine now on both sides, left and right, left and right. And this is where we're gonna start with someone explain to me why is it loud when I'm trying to record a video. That's wood. So when you're whining, when you're reverse whining, you're just drawing the circle and you pause and you move to the other direction, draw the circle and you pause, move to the other direction, draw the circle and you pause. And this is what we're gonna do now. For me, I have my least comfortable side when I'm whining, which is my right side. So I'm going to start with my right side now. So say we're drawing the circle and you pause and you go back, draw the circle and you pause, go back, draw the circle and you pause, go back, draw the circle and you pause. So it's all about that. It's like you're doing this. I'm trying to show you in a stiff mode. Doing this and you pause, you go back and you pause, you go back and you pause. So it's like that. You draw the circle and you pause, go back and you pause. So we are going to do that fast now, not slow anymore. Let's see how this looks from the back. Period. So this is it. Let me know how it worked. Practice, practice, practice. Eventually you're gonna be able to reverse whine. And yeah, so we have come to the end of the video. I really hope you learned something today. And yeah, just keep on practicing. You know, those things, they take time. I tell you, I cannot do some stuff, but I practice. With time I see, okay, this is actually not so bad when you practice. So keep on practicing. Please do watch some of my whining videos. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It costs 0.00 cents. It doesn't cost anything. Please subscribe to my channel And yeah, I will see you on my next video. Bye.